We are going to make a star which is flat on the back, so that you can put it on your refrigerator as a 3D decoration. These are the basic elements. I need one more. You just go circle around. Then cut it off when it is like this and put another two on top. Now you put them into a little hat and you close the hat at the bottom. Now we're going to add another triangle on top. And yet another triangle. And then we squeeze gently to form it into a spearhead. Now I can put those spearheads together. The easiest way to do it is to make a group of 2 and a group of 3. And then carefully join those together. This to look nicely on the back. Make sure it's perfectly symmetrical and flat. Now I want to add a string. The star is ready, but just to show how you can put those stars together with a string. There's a nice hole in there and you can put a string like this and then close the star, and now we got a nice 3D star.